Oi, gente, tudo bom com vocês? Vou começar aqui, gente, fazendo uma coisa. Eu peguei o micro-ondas, tirei lá de cima, ó, todo sujo, todo empoeirado. E eu vou desmontar ele pra botar lá no lixo, né, pra sacar, pra poder o carro do lixo levar. Olha como esse aqui tá duro. Tem uns que tá duro, nega. Por que que eu não... Opa, saiu. Tem que botar um pouquinho de força. Aí vocês vão perguntar, por que tu não ajeita, Michele, o micro-ondas? Nem nada, não compensa não. O micro-ondas aí velho já. Se eu mandar ajeitar, qual é o preço de comprar outro? Depois eu dou um jeitinho aí e compro um novo, sabe? Mas eu também não tô usando, não tô com interesse em usar micro-ondas agora. Às vezes eu preciso pôr uma receita, mas não tô a fim de comprar agora não, sabe? Mais pra frente eu compro, mas agora mesmo não tô afim não. Não é, Michele? Não compro porque não tá sem dinheiro. Não é nem isso. Aí não tem dinheiro não, mas você tem que dar um jeito, né? Mas eu não tô afim não de comprar agora não. O que eu tô precisando mais agora, gente, é uma geladeira. Então, eu vou dar prioridade pra geladeira. Eu vou ver se eu consigo comprar minha geladeira primeiro. Aí depois eu vou ver já a questão do micro-ondas, que é uma coisa que eu preciso mais, é a geladeira, né? O micro-ondas eu não... Dificilmente eu preciso usar um micro-ondas. Para esquentar a comida, nós não esquenta muita comida. E outra que micro-ondas é cancerígeno, sabe? Por isso que eu parei de usar. Antes eu usava. Eu parei porque eu soube que é cancerígeno. Aí eu parei. Não tenho mais vontade não de usar não. Mas eu vou comprar outro depois. Não sei quando. Quando tiver muita precisão mesmo, muitas receitas que precisam de micro-ondas, eu compro. Mas por enquanto tá bom. Do jeito que tá. Isso aqui não tô conseguindo. Vou pra... fechar essa porta desse bicho. Tem que desmontar todinho e colocar no saco, gente, pra poder o carro levar. A meu marido vai amassar, deixa ele todo amassadinho, esses pedacinhos pequenos, pra poder o carro levar. Eu tô tirando os parafusos.
Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Wrote it down and read it out, hoping it would save me. Too many times, my love, he makes me feel like nobody else, nobody else. My love, he doesn't love me, so I tell myself, one, don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in, you have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend, you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. If you're on him, you ain't getting over him. I got news, I count him. I got news, I count him. I gotta tell them to myself. I got news, I count him. I gotta tell them to myself. I keep pushing forwards, but he keeps pulling me backwards. Nowhere to turn, nowhere to turn. Now I'm standing back from it, I finally see the pattern. I never learn. My love, he doesn't love me, so I tell myself, I do. One, don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in, you have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend, you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. You're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got news, I count him. I got news, I count him. I gotta tell them to myself. I got news, I count him. I gotta tell them to myself. 1, so don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. 2, so don't let him in, you have to kick him out again. 3, don't be his friend, you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. If you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got news, I count him. I got news, I count him. I gotta tell them to myself. I got news, I count him. I gotta tell them to myself.
You come home in the morning like mama, the else when you gonna live your life right. I'm not the deal, we're not the fortunate ones, and girls, they wanna have fun. The phone rings in the middle of the night, my fault, the else what you gonna do with your life. Oh daddy dear, you know you're still number one, but girls, they wanna have fun. That's all they really want, some fun. When the working day is done, oh girls, they wanna have fun. Some boys take a beautiful girl and hide her away from the rest of the world. I wanna be the one to walk in the sun, and girls, they wanna have fun. That's all they really want, some fun. When the working day is done, oh girls, they wanna have fun. That's all they really want, some fun. When the working day is done, oh girls just wanna have fun. They just wanna.
I met you in the dark, you lit me up. You made me feel as though I was enough. We danced the night away, we drank too much. I held your hair back when you were throwing up. Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest, and you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you, I think that you should get some rest. I knew I loved you then, but you'll never know, cause I played it cool when I was scared of letting go. I know I needed you, but I'll never show. I wanna stay with you until we're gray and old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed. I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head. I'll take the kids to school, wave them goodbye. I thank my lucky stars for that night. When you looked over your shoulder, for a minute I forget that I'm older. I wanna dance with you right now. And you look as beautiful as ever, and I swear that every day you'll get better. You make me feel this way somehow. I'm so in love with you, I hope you know. Darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. We've come so far, my dear, look how we've grown. I wanna stay with you until we're gray and old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I wanna live with you, even where we go. You were always there for me when I needed the most. Cause I'm gonna love you till my lungs give out. I promise you death will part like it about. So I wrote this song for you. Now everybody knows that it's just you and me till we're gray and old. Just say you won't let go. 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 I was distracted and in traffic. I didn't feel it when the earthquake happened, but it really got me thinking. Were you out drinking? Were you in the living room chilling, watching television? It's been a year now, I think I figured out how to let you go and let communication die out. I know you know, we know you weren't down for forever, and it's fine. I know you know, we weren't meant for each other, and it's fine. But if the world was ending, you come over, right? You come over and you stay the night. Would you love me for the hell of it? All our fears would be irrelevant. If the world was ending, you come over, right? The sky'd be falling and I'd hold you tight. And there wouldn't be a reason why we would even have to say goodbye. If the world was ending, you come over, right? Right? If the world was ending, you come over, right?
right. Tried to imagine your reaction. It didn't scare me when the earthquake happened, but it really got me thinking. Night we went drinking, stumbled in the house and didn't make it past the kitchen. Oh, it's been a year now, think I figured out how to think about you without it ripping my heart out. I know you know, we know you weren't down for forever and it's fine. I know you know, we know we weren't meant for each other and it's fine. But if the world was ending, you'd come over, right? You'd come over and you'd stay the night. Would you love me for the hell of it? All our fears would be irrelevant. If the world was ending, you'd come over, right? The sky be falling while I'd hold you tight. No, there wouldn't be a reason why we'd even have to say goodbye. If the world was ending, you'd come over, right? You'd come over, right? You'd come over, you'd come over, you'd come over, right? I know, you know, we know you weren't down for forever and it's fine. I know, you know, we know we weren't meant for each other and it's fine. But if the world was ending, you'd come over, right? You'd come over and you'd stay the night. Would you love me for the hell of it? All our fears would be irrelevant. If the world was ending, you'd come over, right? The sky be falling and I'd hold you tight. No, there wouldn't be a reason why we would even have to say goodbye. If the world was ending, you'd come over, right? You come over, right? You come over, you come over, you come over, right? This time I feel there's no one to save me. It's all or nothing, really got away, you're driving me crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you know the pain. And now the day bleeds and the night falls, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and